Hello, I just want to answer this one quickly for Twelch. Sorry, I don't know your name. It's that's your username. So, um, you wanna be able to put in this information onto your Zoho projects to update a project, and you're doing it with a spreadsheet at the minute. Now, I guess this to me is the easiest way of doing it, but it may not be the ideal way for you, depending on what you're using this spreadsheet for. If you're using this spreadsheet to work out how many days worth of work you've got or something like this what I'm doing won't work for you. But this is what I would do as a really quick and easy way of doing it. If you went into Zoho projects, find your project, um, and you've basically got to update this project. I would just write a forum post, go in and do a new forum, project update. What day is it? Is it already like 28th of Jan? I don't even know. 2000, week of 28th of Jan or whatever it is, right? Just quickly write in that, and then I would get those headers and that information. I mean, you could even fill out the spreadsheet, couldn't you? And paste it. I don't know what it'd turn up, but yeah, I just copied the headers down. I could just add in. In fact, at this point, you could obviously just fill in on an email browser, whatever that is, whatever this is, and then just copy and paste it into a folder, into a forum post. So obviously, you pull in the information. Making an announcement, all the project users accept the client. So you could, in theory, make an announcement. I don't know if this is not set up. I've just done it quickly. And add the product. So then in that forum, you would have all the information posted as to how many days left, what's happening. You guys can come in and comment and reply and talk to each other and tag each other. But it keeps it all in the project, doesn't it? So maybe not ideal, but it depends what you're using that spreadsheet for. If you're doing other funky things with the data, then we'd have to look at other solutions. But for me, a really quick, easy way for you to update everybody, project update. You're just going to go, okay, yep, you need to sort that out. You need to create a task for that. You need to do this or that. So a quick answer, maybe not the answer you're looking for, maybe an obvious. Or it is the 28th log. Maybe you're looking for something funkier, but to me that's just a really easy way of doing it. Hope it helps. Reply to the thread if not, and I will keep trying to help you out.